Today's our topic is, how do our teeth grow? Odontogenesis? Why tooth development is important. Eat your food properly. Talk clearly. Have your adult teeth come in straight. Have a well-shaped face. Keep your mouth healthy and avoid problems later on. When tooth development is start, tooth development is the natural process by which teeth grow and form in our mouth. It starts before we are born, when we are still in our mother's womb. How the process will occurs? This process happens in steps. First, small tooth buds form in the gums. These buds slowly change shape and grow into baby teeth. Later, permanent teeth grow in the same way, replacing the baby teeth as we get older. Tooth development is controlled by special signals in the body, and it happens at the right time to make sure our teeth come in properly. Healthy tooth development is important for chewing, speaking, and having a nice smile. How many stages in our tooth develop? Bud stage, cap stage, and bell stage. Bud stage. This is the first stage of tooth development. It starts around the 6th week of fetal life. Groups of cells called ectodermal cells, from the outer layer of the embryo, grow down into the underlying tissue, mesenchyme, of the developing jaw. These groups form small, round clusters called tooth buds. Cell shape. The cells here are mostly rounded or oval, packed tightly as a small mass, like tiny buds or little buttons. Cap stage. This is the second stage of tooth development. The tooth bud grows and changes shape to look like a cap sitting on a ball. The bud starts to invaginate, fold inward, and cells inside begin to organize into 3 distinct parts. Dental papilla will form dentin and pulp, the ball beneath the cap. Dental follicle will form supporting structures like cementum, periodontal ligament, and bone. The cells in the enamel organ begin to arrange themselves into a thin layer that looks like a cap, while the dental papilla cells are more loosely packed, rounded cells inside the cap. Bell stage. This is the third and more advanced stage. The enamel organ now looks like a bell shape. Cells in the enamel organ become highly specialized into different layers. Inner enamel epithelium, column-shaped cells that will become amyloblasts, enamel-forming cells. Stellate reticulum, star-shaped cells in the middle that provide support and nutrients. Stratum intermedium, a thin layer between the inner enamel epithelium and stellate reticulum, important for enamel formation. Early bell stages, parts you will see. Difference between early and late bell stage. Let's we see a late bell stage. What is root development? Crown forms first. A structure called HERS forms and guides the root shape. Root dentin is made by special cells. HERS breaks down. Cementum, outer layer of root, is formed. Pulp and periodontal ligament develop inside and around the root. Root grows longer and continues to develop even after the tooth erupts into the mouth. The HERS will be broken and complete our tooth structure. In this, all the stages, we've seen the completion of our tooth development.